Welcome back! Look what we found! We found a mouse trap with a mouse. It's a trap. Okay, roll the intro. I have two kinds of mouse. There's the camera. Okay, this is the Logitech brand. Now if you look really close, look at that and look at this. Those are two different logos. Now the reason I'm telling you this is that I had an original Logitech mouse. I bought it for about $10. Yeah, maybe $10 US or 500 pesos, and then it broke. So I bought another one, but it was cheaper. I think about $2 US or about 200 pesos. $4 US or 200 pesos. And now if you look closely, this one's broken, this one's not broken, but it doesn't work properly. If you look closely, look at the mouse wheel. It looks different. Look at the logo. It looks different. This one has fat fonts. If you look at the back, there you will see the model number here. No model number here. And if I turn this on, look at that bright light. And if I turn this on, don't see a lot of light. There is some light, but it's not as bright as this one. Bam! See that? Okay, so this one is still it's supposed to be silent. So both are silent, so that's fine. But unfortunately, while this one's cheaper, it doesn't work right. You scroll up and it doesn't scroll up, it scrolls down. You try to move around and it doesn't move in the right direction because this doesn't work, like not working at all when you connect it, and this doesn't work properly. So I bought a new one. So this one has the new logo. It can connect to two devices by clicking this thing. You can scroll up and scroll down, scroll left and right, and do page back or page forward with this. And it has this cookie sound. You hear that? So now this one's how much did I buy this for? 1,000 pesos will be $20. 20 US dollars. This one's 20 US dollars. This one is the original, the 10 US dollars. This one is 4 US dollars for the fake one. So if you're going on a mouse journey, don't go get a mouse trap which is the fake for $4, because it will not be worth your while. And then we'll see you on the next one. Bye!